always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, the snow is winding down in most places. The last of the flurries here leaving Branch County. We got a few flurries in Ionia County heading toward Lansing. A little bit of light snow moving through the Big Rapids area. And there'll be a few of these little light showers of snow around here during the early part of the night. But for the most part, things will be improving with time. We'll stop this here for just a second. The snow shower that's the heaviest will be down in the Big Rapids here at 7:52. A few flurries here down towards South Haven at 9:37. Now here's the way it looks over in Muskegon. You can see the sun about to set there. Hey, we're gaining daylight. We have gained 3 hours worth of daylight since the solstice occurred before Christmas. We're up to 11 hours of daylight and increasing at the rate of about 2.5 minutes per day, which is nice. We should see a little bit of sunshine here tomorrow. This evening there may be a few flurries floating by from time to time. Temperature in Grand Rapids currently at 22 will go up to 24. And if you're near Lake Michigan, up into the upper 20s, so relatively mild compared to what we've had. These current temperatures, 31 at Ludington, the warmest spot out there. It's been a while since we had a 30-degree temperature on the map. 22 Grand Rapids, 21 Kalamazoo, mid-20s at the lakeshore. Most inland areas will head up into the mid-20s here this evening. Winds still kind of a problem out there. We got 21 miles an hour Grand Rapids, 23 at Holland at the regional airport. These are going to calm down once we get past about 9, 10 o'clock in the evening. By daybreak, we'll only be around 5 miles an hour. That will help these wind chills some. We're at 7 in Grand Rapids. As temperatures fall tonight, look for wind chills much of the night to be around 5 to 10 above zero. So a few more snow showers here this evening. They should be fairly light. Main thing is the wind's dying down. That should end the drifting snow, which is still producing some slippery spots, especially in those outlying areas. Cold air continues. Highs only in the teens for tomorrow, Thursday, and on Friday. So here's the snow that's out here at the current time, just a few little flurries. A couple of these little bands will sink on through. This is 11 o'clock at night. The band up by Big Rapids kind of moves on through with more Arctic air. So we get toward daybreak, the clouds even thin out just a little bit, and then a few more clouds start to come in from the west. Could be a few flurries tomorrow during the day near Lake Michigan, but most of the time it will be dry, and it'll look like this in inland areas. Partly sunny but chilly mid-afternoon, 16. Average high temperature is 36, so that's 20 degrees colder than average once again. But wind should only be around 5 to 10 miles an hour. 8-day forecast looks like this. 3 cold days coming up here with temperatures only in the teens. Good news is we won't have very strong winds to deal with here. It will be cold at night. I'm sure there'll be some inland areas that'll be in the double digits below zero once again here Friday morning. After that, things start to improve a bit. We have a couple of days when there could be some at least light snow. That is Sunday. We're looking at about an inch, maybe a little bit more than that south of I-94, but not a big storm. And then again on Tuesday, we could be seeing that's probably a 1 to 3 inch snowfall there, not really a big storm. And you can look at those temperatures back up into the upper 20s to around 30 here early next week, not up to average. By the way, this month is 13.5 degrees colder than average. We could easily see a top 3 and maybe even a top coldest February ever.
Yeah. I don't doubt that.
Wow.
Let's go for it.
Yeah, my heating bill shows it.
That's true. Bill, thank you.
Bill.